Hi everyone and welcome to English Acquiring and Topic Deliberation Studies. Yes, again, we will focus on our self, yes, as for example, self, body, or ego. Yes, in fact, it's a fact, it is a reality that every single of us is one individual, but there are a lot of physical and spiritual and psychological sides of us. For example, in addition to self, body, or ego, we also have free will, intention, and our perspectives, outlooks. Yes, and conscience, for example. Yes, heart, soul. Yes, somebody use or in dictionaries, even in dictionaries, self and soul are used for each other, for substituting each other. But I think self is better. It is better to use self for our worldly psychological side. What is soul is our spiritually our spiritual side. Yes, soul. Yes. Okay, all right. Yeah, this is a scarf, and as you know, it is worn around the neck, or the scarf we wear a scarf around our neck. Yes, active sentence, or it is worn around the neck, and you can, or everybody can knit a neck scarf. Okay, and it's a kind of hobby as well. Yes, knitting a neck scarf comes about with hands, eyes, brain, curiosity, and all the abilities and capabilities, faculties of our self. That is, it happens with the body and the self. Who could have said, I did it from myself or out of myself? So the negative side, ego, uh, said this, yes, or might have said this. Who could have said, it's from him, it's from God? So the positive side, ego could have said it. It's from him. Okay, all right. Ego cannot do anything. We do something with our body and with the tools in this self. Ego either owns the result, that this is the negative side of it, or sees it as a trust and says that it is entrusted to me by God. This is the positive side of it. Outer space of something and the secret unseen depth of things, behind the curtains. Yeah, the one who goes wrong with the negative side of ego desires nothing but the life of the physical world. He or his or her knowledge is limited, restricted by desires of the matter and moment. This is a false way. Yes, all that side knows those material, limited, and restricted things. B, the one who goes right, who goes to the right direction, the one who goes right with the positive side of ego desires the truth of everything principally, basically, ideally. His or her knowledge is about not only matter, of course, including the matter, but also about spiritual and the unseen and about the time of the heart and the spirit, the soul. This is the straight way. Yes, both of them arise from one seed. Yes, two trees, like two trees. Everything else is limited except Allah. Ego is the key to itself and the atom, the particle, the smallest particle in the matter. An atom is a key to the beautiful names of God. Limited is a key to unlimited. Even, for example, that is the key to immortality. Yes, we say, for example, we say that the giver of life is God and the taker of life is also God. So, but God, what God does is perfect, is extremely good. So, life is good, that is good, yes, can be said easily. What does a painting signify? What does a painting signify? Yes. What is a painting? What is a painting sign of? Yes, it is a sign of, or it signifies its painter. It is so simple and plain, but some biggest truths are hidden in plain things. Even a child discovers that an action has a doer, performer, a maker. A book has a writer. For example, a book has a writer. Is there a painting without a painter? Of course, no. No, there isn't a painting without a painter. Dispositional or natural, yeah, dispositional, connected with, pertaining to, related to our disposition. Yes. Dispositional impotence and poverty, neediness. Yes, our dispositional, natural neediness. A mother and a father who turn around a baby like moths or night butterflies and serve. What is this magical power in the baby? How can he or she captivate, fascinate, hypnotize, or magnetize? Magnetize, yes. Magnetize his or her father and mother. Yes, what is the magical power in the baby? Can the baby say, if he were to speak, could he or she say, for example, I am doing this with my own mercy, power, and knowledge? Of course, it's impossible, because he or she is just a baby, and he or she has a complete weakness, a complete poverty, a complete need. So he or she is in a complete neediness. So that baby triggers the mercy and energy of the parents, of the father and mother. So they serve him, they turn around him or her like the night butterflies, like the moths. Yes. Existence has a taste. Yes. Absence has heaviness and pain. Existence doesn't what? Doesn't have heaviness and pain. Yeah, okay. Existence has heaviness and pain Existence doesn't. Yes, intonation must be like this. Existence is mere pure good. Absence is mere evil. Yes. Of course, mercy, we can observe mercy as it is in the situation of a baby, and in fact, the relation between all mothers and babies, for example, an eagle. I have watched, I am sure everybody has watched an eagle while feeding its baby. Yes, with patience, the eagle uh, takes out small piece of fish, and carefully and patiently puts it in the mouth of its baby. Yes, there must be a taste. Okay, of course, it is because of mercy, but as we said before, uh, all the other beings, uh, except for the human being, all the other beings act deterministically. Yes, deterministically. But as for human beings, we act preferably. Yes, we do something by preferring. That is why. The human being is much higher than the other beings in rank and level. Okay, heart is between self and soul. If the self correctly gets to know itself through the positive aspect of ego, it correctly begins its journey towards the source of existence, and of course, in the end, naturally feels the complete taste of existence. Everything serves a purpose. The purpose of something is the soul of that thing. It shows us that, or it proves that, as if that thing is living. Yes. Of course, a meaning, we can also say that meaning is a synonym for purpose. Rain also has a purpose, has a meaning, and so does a sheep. Yes. So the meaning behind rain is the mercy of God, being able to see and feel, observe the mercy of God. And for example, that, or the fact that a sheep gives milk is again due to the mercy of God. Rain runs to the help of the living things in the name of Allah, in the name of God, not on behalf of itself. Of course, this is very clear. Rain is not a living thing. Water is not a living thing. It cannot have a purpose, but it runs to the help of the living things, not on behalf of itself, but on behalf of God. So with a purpose, there is a meaning behind it. Actually, who satisfies our needs? Snowfall is not an ordinary event. We need it. We are in need of snow, rain, water. Snow also serves a purpose. Okay, this is all for now. Stay well, and I wish you a good day. See you in the next video. Bye for now.